Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing my everyday curls, or how I curl my hair, or sort of curls. I actually really don't know what I'm calling this yet. Usually my hair is in a bun until I actually do my hair because I sleep with my hair in a bun. Yeah, excuse the messiness. So here's me brushing my hair, getting rid of any tangles or whatever, so it makes it easier for me to curl and making the curls look a lot more softer. So I separate my hair into two sections. I usually have the left section behind my ear, so that's why this section is a lot smaller. Starting with the left side, I curl these to the left, curling them away from my face. As you can tell, I really don't have a specific technique to this or whatever. I literally just grab roughly an inch section each time, just curling them away from my face and then just going on to the next piece and then the next one and the next one. So as we go on to the other side, I do the same but kind of like in reverse and just curling them away from my face, but this time towards the right side. So once my hair is all curled, this is when I like to style my hair. So maybe I'd add more curls where necessary just to create more shape and volume. That is it for my everyday curls. Hope you guys enjoyed. Expect more videos from me because I'm coming back to YouTube. And yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. Bye!